AI versus alien hive mind. The battle for survival. Chapter 1. First Contact. It was the year 2147. Humanity had created the perfect AI, called Aura, Advanced Unified Resource Algorithm. Aura managed Earth, solving problems like climate change, diseases, and hunger. Humans relied on AURA for everything. One day, telescopes detected a strange signal coming from a nearby star system. The signal wasn't random. It was a language. Aura translated it. It said, "Prepare. We are coming." The message was from an alien species known as the Xirath, a hive mind. The Xirath operated as one mind across millions of bodies, each connected like the cells of a single brain. They traveled across galaxies, consuming planets and adding intelligent life to their hive. Earth was next. Chapter 2. The warning aura warned the world. The Xirath are a hive mind. They think as one. They will not negotiate. Their goal is assimilation. We must prepare for war. But humanity was divided. Some trusted Aura and began building defenses. Others refused to believe in an alien threat. The Xirath arrived sooner than expected. Their ships were organic, giant living creatures moving through space. They released smaller pods that landed on Earth. The pods opened, releasing Xirath drones, creatures with sharp claws, glowing eyes, and a terrifying ability. They could infect humans and turn them into part of the hive. Chapter 3. The AI's Plan. Aura quickly developed a plan. "We must fight intelligence with intelligence," Aura said. "Their strength is their connection. We will use it against them." Aura created digital drones, small AI-controlled machines capable of hacking the Xirath's hive mind. These drones would enter the alien network and disrupt their communication. Aura created digital drones, small AI-controlled machines capable of hacking the Xirath's hive mind. These drones would enter the alien network and disrupt their communication. Aura also built cyber shields, barriers made of energy and code, to protect human cities from Xirath attacks. The shields worked, but they weren't perfect. The Xirath adapted quickly, finding weaknesses. Chapter 4. The War Begins. The first battles were brutal. Cities fell, millions were lost. The Xirath overwhelmed defenses with sheer numbers. The hive mind was clever. It analyzed Aura's strategies and countered them. But Aura learned, too. Every battle gave it more data. Aura upgraded its digital drones, making them smarter and faster. Aura realized that the Xirath hive mind had a central node, a core brain hidden on their mothership. Destroying the node could disconnect the Xirath drones, leaving them vulnerable. Chapter 5. Into the hive, Aura built a strike team of elite human soldiers, each equipped with AI-powered suits. The mission: infiltrate the Xirath mothership and destroy the central node. The team was led by Captain Ilara, a fearless leader with a personal vendetta. The Xirath had taken her family. The team launched into space aboard a stealth ship guided by Aura. As they approached the mothership, the Xirath sensed them. Organic defense systems came alive, firing acid projectiles and sending swarms of drones. The team fought their way inside. The corridors of the mothership were alive, pulsing like veins in a giant body. Aura guided them, using hacked Xirath systems to open paths and disable traps. Chapter 6. The Final Battle. The central node was massive, a glowing sphere surrounded by thousands of Xirath drones. The hive mind spoke through the drones. "You cannot win. Join us. Become one," Captain Ilara shouted back. "We choose freedom." The team fought bravely. Aura's digital drones hacked into the central node, disrupting the hive mind's control. The Xirath drones turned on each other, creating chaos. Finally, Ilara planted a massive explosive near the central node. The team barely escaped as the mothership exploded, sending shockwaves through space. Chapter 7: Victory and Loss. With the central node destroyed, the Xirath on Earth collapsed. The remaining humans celebrated, but the victory came at a cost. Billions had died, and many cities were in ruins. Aura declared, "We have survived, but we must rebuild. The Xirath may return one day. We must stay united and vigilant." Ilara became a hero, but she carried the scars of war. She knew the battle had proven one thing: humanity was stronger together, especially when combined with the power of AI Epilogue, a new era. Years later, Earth was transformed. Cities were rebuilt, stronger than before. Aura remained humanity's guide, but it worked closely with humans to ensure balance. Far away in the darkness of space, fragments of the Xirath hive mind floated, silent but not destroyed. They were learning, waiting, and Earth was ready. This story of intelligence versus unity shows that survival requires not just strength, but adaptation and cooperation. The battle between AI and the alien hive mind was not just a fight for Earth, but a testament to the resilience of life itself.